Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to easily find all solutions to this trigonometric equation with multiple angles. We're going to find all solutions of the given equation and then find solutions in the interval from 0 up to 2 pi. The first equation we'll solve is 2 sine 3 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Our first step is to reduce this equation to sine 3 theta is equal to a constant. We'll start with 2 sine 3 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. We'll take the 1 over to the right-hand side. So we have 2 sine 3 theta is equal to 1. And if we divide each side of the equation by 2, we get sine 3 theta is equal to 1/2. Our solution is 3 theta is equal to the arc sine of 1/2. Since 1/2 is positive, 3 theta is going to be located in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2 because those are the quadrants where sine is positive. In quadrant 1, our 3 theta is equal to 3 times theta sub r, and this is going to be equal to pi over 6 because the arc sine of 1/2 is pi over 6. If you need a review of finding these types of values, you can look at my video called Evaluating Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Our second solution is located in the second quadrant, and in that quadrant, we have 3 theta is equal to pi minus 3 theta sub r. So that's equal to pi minus pi over 6, and that gives us 5 pi over 6. We'll then write down what we just computed. We have 3 theta equal to pi over 6 from quadrant 1, and we have 3 theta equal 5 pi over 6 from quadrant 2. To find all solutions for theta, we'll start with 3 theta is equal to pi over 6 plus 2n pi, because sine is 2 pi periodic, and then we'll have 3 theta is equal to 5 pi over 6 plus 2n pi. We can then divide each of these equations by 3, and we'll get theta is equal to pi over 18 plus 2n pi over 3. And for our equation on the right, we'll get theta is equal to 5 pi over 18 plus 2n pi over 3. And our n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so forth. Here comes the hard part. Since k is equal to 3, we're going to get 3 solutions from 0 to 2 pi for each value of theta, and that will give us a total of 6 solutions. We'll have solutions for n is equal to 0, for n is 1, and for n is equal to 2. For n is equal to 0, we get pi over 18, and we get 5 pi over 18. We'll mark these as n is equal to 0. When n is 1, we will get 13 pi over 18, and we will get 17 pi over 18. We'll mark these as n is 1, so you have to do a little bit of fraction arithmetic there. And then when n is 2, we're going to get 25 pi over 18, and then lastly, 29 pi over 18. And that was for n is equal to 3.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.